Today we're going to be making banoffee pie, or in Kai language, banoffee kai. I'd also like to thank you everyone for watching and liking my cookies or cookies, my banana loaf and my rock-eye road. It's really good. If you haven't watched it, you should probably watch it, and everyone, thank you for subscribing. Please do that as well. There's 3 things you need to do in banoffee pie. For the base, you will need 250 grams of digestive biscuits, 125 grams of butter, 100 grams of demerara sugar. For the caramel, you will now need 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of demerara sugar, 400 grams of condensed milk, and for the topping, you'll need 3 medium bananas, 400 millilitres of whipping cream and 1 square of chocolate, but you don't need the square of chocolate. Because it's lockdown whilst I'm recording this, it's a bit hard to get a lot of this stuff, so 250 grams of digestive biscuits, put them in a big enough bag, then seal the bag and start bashing them into really small pieces like crumbs. Later. Cut 125 grams of butter and put it in a pan. Measure out 100 grams of demerara sugar. Put it in a pan and put it on low heat until it's melted. Waiting for the butter to melt. Put butter in an 8-inch tin with a loose bottom so it can come out easily, the cake. Nearly done. Once it's done, take off the heat. Add the biscuits. We've got a hole in the bottom of our bag, so we're just going to use that to pour it through. Now mix it together really well. Pour it into the tin. Flatten it out evenly around the base. And it's a good idea to do this with the back of a cup if you have one, but if you don't, well, you probably will have a cup. Sure. Just with that, put it in the freezer. After waiting for the biscuit to set, you can start on the caramel part. 100 grams of butter into a pan. Then put 100 grams of demerara sugar in with the butter. Again, 400 grams of condensed milk. Doesn't have to be squeezy, but we're using squeezy. Stir and make sure it doesn't burn. You might have to stir for about 10 minutes. So if you need help, you can get your mum to do it or something. And yeah, you should probably get an adult to stir this because it gets really hot once you do it for a while, and it should look like this. Take your biscuit out the freezer and make sure it's solid. Pour the caramel onto the biscuit. Now thinly chop or slice the banana, well, all 3 of the bananas. Now evenly spread the banana out and put it on top of the caramel and make sure it covers like everything. And you might find that you don't need to use all your bananas if you have a big one, like, because we still have a spare banana. 400 millilitres of whipped cream into a jug and then mix with that thing. Mix until it forms peaks. Spread the cream on the top of the pie that you've made so far and try and do it evenly and try and spread it on the whole thingy. This part might need tricking. You might need help for an adult if you're not an adult. But you're going to push down very hard with a knife, and I can't really do it without help, and then push along like that and you should get these bits to sprinkle along the top of the banoffee pie. This is your finished banoffee pie. Put it in the fridge for maybe about half an hour then keep it there until it's ready to serve. Don't go because this isn't the end, but please subscribe, share with your friends if you think they would like it, and also if you have any ideas for something that we've not made yet that we can make, then write it down in the comments. Now, what's good about this bottom tin is that you can get it off really easily, and you should also go around the edges with a knife like that first. But this should come off easily. Yep, there it is. I can't wait to eat it because it's going to be so great. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching.